So here we are in beautiful Linden Park in South Australia. Once again, NRG Solar has donated 10 kilowatt solar system to the Variety Children's Charity. And this is now a number of years that we've been doing this.
The Radiothon of 2023, with the help of NRG, surpassed the $1 million fundraising mark. In the 9 years that we've been doing the Radiothon, to surpass the $1 million mark is a fantastic result.
The experience with NRG since we won the Radiothon has been really good. Michael come out, I've had really good communication all the way through, so it's been great.
Of course, none of this is possible without the amazing support that we get in it being able to donate this incredible solar system. Top-notch products supplied by Trina, Fronius and Schletter.
When I first approached Eddy a number of years ago, he jumped straight in. Part of Variety is to allow children to achieve their potential. We've got to have our responsibility to give them the best possible future.
One of the great things that connects and binds all this together, the donation is for the kids of South Australia. The kids should have a better future. When we install solar and battery storage on someone's home, it's just one more step to a bright, positive future for our climate. So it really ties in beautifully that, when we're talking about the kids' future, we can deliver that with clean, green energy.